What's up, y'all? In this bowl, I have the stuff to make the guacamole. So you want your avocados in here. I got 3 whole avocados in here and half of a tomato that I squeezed some of the seeds out of. I'm gonna go in immediately and start putting that lime juice on there because we don't want our guac to turn brown and we want that brightness in there. All right, I got some red onion here. Put some of that in there. You can use as much or as little as you want, y'all. I don't measure when I'm doing guac. I just go by how I feel. So that's the red onion. And then we're going to put a bunch of chopped cilantro in there. And now I'm going to season with some adobo. I'm gonna stir this up and see how this tastes. I was born. Oh, drop it like a body. Drop it like a body. Need a potato masher. I want mine to be a little bit chunky. I found my potato masher. And I'm just gonna mash it up a little bit. Little chunkiness left in there. All right, so I have a jalapeno and I'm gonna use just a little bit because my baby gonna be eating this. So all right, I went back in with the spoon and combined it a little bit more. Add a little bit more of that adobo. I'm also going to add a little bit of onion powder into the situation. All right. That's it, y'all. Super simple guacamole. You can taste the avocado. You can taste all of the ingredients. Everything is good. It's not overloaded on anything. Nice and simple, y'all. Enjoy your Cinco de Mayo. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's have a taste. Mm-hmm.